How to create workspace in Asana. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can create a new workspace here in app.asana.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Probably you have this tab because in your left menu you have an option that says my workspace and you have tried to create a new workspace from here. But this is not the place to do it. What you must do is direct yourself into the top right corner into your profile, and as you can see there is the option to create a new workspace. If you click there, you just have to name your workspace and write the email addresses of the members. Once you have done that, you can create your workspace. This is loading. Okay, I'm going to skip this over by now. And that's how you can do it. Now you are on your new workspace. If you want to change to another workspace, you must direct yourself again to your profile, and as you can see here I have two different workspace, and that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.